Hello folks. Well, I don't often make videos about RC cars. I had a few that got burned up in the fire that were nitro and even an RC10. But when I saw this one for only $14.97 on sale at Roomba Drag in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, I thought I'd get it and see if it actually was worth $14.97 or if it was worth more. This is for the young kids, it's not for you pro racing guys or you super hot rodders, but I thought I would open it up, see what it looks like, what's it really got going for it, and if it's got anything going for it. I mean, for 15 bucks, gotta be kidding me, right? It's called a Land King, and let's open up the box and see how it looks. Here we go. Right, here we have the transmitter and the antenna for the transmitter. This looks like a 49 megahertz. Yep, 49 megahertz. Got a wheel, on-off switch, and a trigger. This thing looks pretty cool. Oh, wow. I like it. I think I better polish it though. It needs some Adams brilliant clay. Okay, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to get the batteries in here. Look at that. It's got shock absorbers. Shocks on the back. There's the motor. Let's take this body off and see what it looks like. It's got these T-pins. Okay, looks like that antenna's coming there. Alright, what do we got? Well, we got a covered one here. There's the shocks. Oh, that's interesting. That'll nice servo saver. Oh, look at those little shocks back there. You know what? There's a cover on here. I think I want to see what's in there. Oh. Okay. Well, there's the on-off switch, which is obviously on the bottom. Those transistors are speed control. That must be the speed controller. That variable amp means this must be a receiver somewhere. This looks like a complete servo setup. That's interesting. So the receiver must be under this. Well, let's look at that. Yep, that's definitely a receiver. There's the integrated circuit right there, and resistors on here. So that's a pretty nice compact unit. Doesn't be very special with simple 49 megahertz. Okay, let's put some batteries in it. Let's see what this takes. Okay, gonna need a screwdriver. Not a little screwdriver, the bigger screwdriver looks like the way to put this in. That one? Okay. Alright, I got my batteries here. I use the long-lasting alkaline batteries that I get from dollar store. They actually last longer than some of the more expensive batteries that I ever get. The transmitter batteries will last a long time. I would probably recommend using the rechargeable nickel metal hydride for the car. Alright, turn on the power, which is here. Transmitter to always first. The antenna up. And turn on the power switch on the car, which is here. This little dial is an adjustment, it looks like, to make it run straight. It's got good strong bumpers on it. Alright, let's see what happens here. Forward, backward. Oh, that's pretty cool. How about the steering? Well, that's interesting. I see what they're doing. The servo turns it, but it won't stall, so that's great. That's a good way of doing it. I like it. It seems to be working pretty good. Whoa, yeah. Oh. Well, let's polish up the body and put it back on and take it for a little spin, see how it does. Well, this body's not as shiny as it looks like it could be, so I'm going to put Adam's Brilliant Glaze on there, which of course is good enough for Barrett-Jackson to be the licensed polish of the Barrett-Jackson auction, which protects it against scratches. That looks amazing. Now we're talking. Oh man, I feel smooth. Okay, look at that. One of the things that I noticed is this has real rubber wheels on it, not plastic wheels. That's pretty good. I like that. Alright, let's give it a test run here. Maybe I'll put a FPV camera on and play with it now. Go! No chance. Well, for 15 bucks, I'd say that's pretty darn good. Well, my final thoughts are on this. It's pretty good. For $14.97, it runs about a good 25-30 minutes before it starts slowing down. Not very good on real high grass because it's a low clearance, but on dirt and cement driveways and everything are in the house, it runs really well. I'm quite surprised. I like it. Pretty cool looking too. Haha, my Sophie kitty likes it too. Well, I'd say this is a pretty cool RC car for a young child who wants to get started because it's not too fast for them and easy to keep up with. And in fact, it's easier for this old man to keep up with too. Kind of fun. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.